Hi, I'm Joe Rusk, co-owner of AquaGuard Foundation Solutions. Have you ever seen a home that had permanent vent covers installed over the crawl space vents? Ever wonder why? I mean, weren't those vents put there for a reason? Well, yes, they were. You see, years ago, the installation of vents became code to help combat high humidity and mold growth and dry rot in vented dirt crawl spaces. These vents, unfortunately, unintentionally made the problems worse. By allowing hot, humid air to enter the crawl space in the summer, damp air to enter the crawl space on rainy days, and cold air in the wintertime, conditions were created for even more mold growth, dry rot, and odors to attack the building envelope. In addition, heating and cooling bills soared due to HVAC systems that had to compete with this outdoor air pouring into the crawl space all year long. I mean, you wouldn't leave your doors and your windows to your basement open, right? So think about sealing the vents on your crawl space as one important step toward encapsulation and creating a healthier, more efficient home for you and your family. If you have any questions, call us, and have a great day from all of us here at AquaGuard Foundation Solutions.